That's me. And you're probably wondering how I got here. Well, let me tell you. We're getting papers on our chickens to show that they're not infected, as Cat Williams would say.
I'm not infected. I have papers to prove I'm not infected.
We were tag teaming everybody. I go in, I pick up a hen, I pass them to her. She do a little stick, a little rub, and the cycle repeats. Because we got papers to prove our chickens aren't infected at all. So yeah, results took about a good 2 weeks to come, and everybody passed. And I was so happy. Like, y'all have no idea. We got papers on our chickens. Bye.